Imagine a single plant that can help boost your immune system, balance your blood sugar, and fight off fatigue all at once. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Moringa, often called the miracle tree for a reason. This is one natural remedy you'll want to make a part of your daily routine. So, what exactly is Moringa, and why is it getting so much attention in the world of natural health? Moringa oleifera is a fast-growing tree, native to tropical regions of Asia and Africa. It's absolutely packed with essential nutrients. Think vitamins A, C, and E, plus calcium, potassium, and protein. In fact, gram for gram, Moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more potassium than bananas, and more calcium than milk. For centuries, people across the globe have turned to Moringa to tackle inflammation, fight off infections, and even combat malnutrition in communities where food is scarce. It's a staple in traditional medicine, used to treat everything from joint pain to digestive issues. But how do you actually use Moringa in your everyday life? The good news is, it's incredibly versatile and easy to add to your diet. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone looking to feel your best, Moringa fits right in. One of the simplest ways is to scoop a teaspoon of Moringa powder into your morning smoothie or juice. The flavor is mild, so it blends right in, and your body will soak up all those nutrients without you even noticing. If you're a tea lover, try steeping dried Moringa leaves or powder in hot water for a gentle, earthy brew. It's a soothing way to start or end your day, and you'll be nourishing your body at the same time. And for those who are always on the move, Moringa capsules are a super convenient option. Just pop one with your morning water and you're good to go. No mess, no fuss. If you're new to Moringa, start with just 1 teaspoon of powder a day. Mix it into water, juice, or even sprinkle it over your salad. Listen to your body and see how you feel. As your body gets used to it, you can gradually increase the amount. Some people work up to 2 or even 3 teaspoons a day, depending on their needs and how they feel. Let's talk about the real-life benefits you might notice. Regular users often rave about improved digestion, clearer, glowing skin, and a noticeable boost to their immune system. Many people say they feel more energized and less sluggish, especially during busy or stressful times. Some even report lower blood pressure, better blood sugar control, and a renewed sense of vitality, especially if they're recovering from illness or dealing with chronic fatigue. It's like giving your body a gentle reset, using the power of nature to restore balance and well-being. The best part? Natural healing is right at your fingertips, and it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Try adding Moringa to your daily routine for just 7 days. Notice how your energy, mood, and overall health begin to shift. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. If you're curious about more herbal hacks and practical wellness tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me each week for new ways to support your health naturally. Your journey to better health can start today. Take that first step with Moringa and see how nature's miracle tree can transform your well-being, one day at a time.